Starting my video. Hey guys, it is Thanksgiving at our house, and we let the men cook the turkey at our house. And one of our favorite ways to cook a turkey is to spatchcock a turkey. And I don't really like that word, but that's what it's called. So I'm going to flip it around here, and Jeff is going to show you how to spatchcock a turkey. And okay, I might need some technical guidance here. I think it's, oh, there you are.
Hey there. So my favorite thing about Thanksgiving is spatchcocking the turkey. I love it. Even more than saying spatchcocking is actually doing it. So the benefit to this is that spatchcocking flattens the turkey out so it's not so tall, so it doesn't get as dried out. It cooks more evenly and stays juicier. One of the reasons that the breast will get dried out is because that's so close to the heat because it's so high, and then everything else takes longer to cook. And so if you spatchcock it, it cooks a lot more evenly, and it will cook in a lot less time. This is a 21-pound turkey, and it's going to cook in about 2 hours and 15 to 2.5 hours, where it would probably take 3.5 or 4 normally. So what you do is you turn it over so the breast is down. This is the back up. And you find the spine, and you start on one side of the spine. You need a sharp, strong knife, and you start cutting down. You'll be able to get it cut a little bit, and then you're going to run into some pretty heavy bones. Oh, that one's going all the way. My Cutco knife is doing pretty well. If you run into snags, what I do is just take it like this and just cut through it. Okay? So you just take this. If you have some like poultry shears, Sandra, this is where I need you. Hold that. If you have poultry shears, that helps too, but you can just go down the side of it like that, and there it is. Watch your hands there at the end. So now I've got the whole spine out of the turkey, just that easy. Now this spine is going to be great for bone broth soup. So you can, if you have an Instapot or a slow cooker or something, look up a recipe for bone broth. This is great for your what is it called? Your gravy. If you just need chicken stock for other things. So that's a really nice
turkey spine
right there. Okay, now the next thing you do.
Yeah, that's really gross.
Is now you flip it over. Keep all the parts, the giblets, the neck, everything. You flip her over, and this is where you perform CPR on the turkey. So I'm just going to push down. You hear that cracking? So the best breastbone cracked, and now the whole thing will just kind of lay out flat. See that? The whole thing lays out flat, and see how much lower it is. The breast is a lot closer to the legs, and so it's going to cook a lot more evenly. So there you have it. You'll dress it up however you do. I do a melt butter and add rosemary, thyme, sage into that and rub it all in. And then I cook it on 450 for 20 minutes, and then I turn it down to 350 and cook it until the center of the breast reaches I do about 160, because after you take it out of the oven, it'll continue to go up a little. And you definitely don't want a dry spatchcock turkey. So there you go. Enjoy Thanksgiving.
Thank you, Sandon, for assisting, and Greg, who's in the audience cheering them on. So, bye guys. Thanks for watching.